Hey friends, if you wish to change the start menu and taskbar colors, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the personalization tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select colors. Now, you will not find any option for start menu and taskbar colors, but that's what accent colors are meant for. If you choose a specific color here, and keep it at manual and say show accent color on start and taskbar. If you turn this option on, you will notice that the color for start and taskbar has changed, and unless you shift this color, it will be a problem. If you want, you can also use more colors and make a color of your own. For example, I really like this magenta one here. Okay, so I'll choose this one and then I'll click on done and see this is how it changes. This is amazing actually. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.